Good evening. How you doing?
I'm doing alright.
Hey guys, so our last drop off for the night. Another happy customer here,
Yes,
right at the door. We have a promotion going on, a promotional video going on, March Madness. So with this promotion, we're just asking you to refer a friend, sign up a friend, a family member, somebody you know we know somebody.
Okay.
Once you refer them and they can use the WhatsApp number we have online to send their address. Once it is sent to us, we will know that hey, this is from you. So we can go ahead and offer you a free, no, it's not one, but three
Yeah.
free shipping coupon. Not just that, if you know any first responders, any friend who is a police, a soldier, firefighter, and even the wardens, can know them normally, you know,
Yeah.
forget about them.
Got friends in all those stuff,
Exactly. They will get a 10% discount with us, a lifetime 10% discount once they sign up with us.
Okay.
All right. So the person that you refer, they will also get a free shipping coupon from us. Everything is free, courtesy of us. All right, to you. Thank you so much again for your support. We appreciate you.